Ever wondered what happens when classic meets cutting edge? Let's dive into Royal Enfield's latest tech upgrades. Royal Enfield's timeless charm now packs a techie punch. With air-cooled engines, these bikes remain simple and reliable. Fuel injection makes them smoother and more efficient. And safety, single-channel ABS has got you covered, but wait, there's more. Tripper navigation gives you turn-by-turn directions on a sleek digital display. Plus, digital instrument clusters keep all your ride info at your fingertips. And those LED lights, bright, efficient, and oh so modern. Built tough with tubular steel frames and comfy telescopic suspension, these bikes handle rough roads with ease. Disc brakes ensure powerful stopping, while ABS prevents wheel lockup, blending classic design with modern comfort. Royal Enfield bikes give you the best of both worlds. Ready to ride into the future on a piece of history? Hop on a Royal Enfield today.